Hi, today we're going to make a sweet duck vinegar, gingers, and baby spare rib and sweet potato. And we're going to use about 2 pounds of spare rib. That's a whole rack of spare rib. You cut them in pieces. And about 2 small sweet potato. Cut it in strip like that. Like that. Then we're going to use about 4 pieces of gingers. So you take you have to take the skin off. Then after that you have to kind of mash them with a knife. You see, you kind of break it down. So they kind of breaking all a little bit. Okay, and I'll show you how to make these. We're using dark vinegar and it's dark vinegar. They have so many different kinds, so you can pick the one you want. But this one is without sugar in it, so it's not too sweet. It's just so we have to add sugar in it. And you can pick some of them already have sugar in it, so you don't have to put the sugar in it. Okay, so this is about a bottle of about 16 ounces. And you put 2 cups of water in it. So we weigh. And also we can put this in it. We put the ginger in it. Then you cover them up and bring it up to boiling. Okay, and that's it. And we come back until it's boiling. Okay, now it's about boiling. Then we're gonna put the sugar in it. Okay, 1, 2. There's 2 cups here. Okay, that's 3 cups altogether. Okay. Then after that, we're gonna put the ribs in it. Okay. So we're gonna cover them up and wait until it's boiling. Okay, now it's boiling. So we're gonna cook it for like 30 minutes. Then we have to put this sweet potato in it for another 20 minutes. Okay. Hi, it's about already after it boiling. Already 30 minutes. So we pick this up and we put the sweet potato in it. You just do it like that. So you wait until it's boiling, then you cook it for other 20 minutes. So altogether is around 50 minutes. Okay. All right, then we cover them up. After it's boiling, yeah, that's about it. Then we make it out of 20 minutes. Now it's about 20 minutes after we put the sweet potato in it, and that should be done then. See that? Yeah, like that. So we can turn off the fire. Okay, and we can scoop them out. Okay, that's sweet sweet vinegar, sweet vinegar, gingers, baby spare rib, and sweet potato.